Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Reader on your Mac. First, you will need to download the official Adobe Acrobat Reader from Adobe's website. Make sure your Mac meets the minimum system requirements for the software. Once downloaded, simply double-click the installer package to begin. Follow the clear, on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It's a straightforward process, usually taking only a few minutes, ensuring you are ready to view your documents. Once Adobe Reader is installed, opening your PDF files is simple. Find your PDF in Finder, then right-click it. Select Open With and choose Adobe Acrobat Reader. The document will open, and you can easily navigate using the scroll bar or the page controls at the bottom. You can also adjust the zoom, perhaps to 150%, for comfortable reading using the intuitive toolbar options, making every detail clear. Adobe Reader offers several essential tools to enhance your PDF experience. You can use the powerful search function to quickly locate specific words or phrases, saving you valuable time. Easily highlight important text with the text selection tool, or add sticky notes and comments to collaborate effectively. For interactive documents, you can fill out forms directly within the application, ensuring all your information is captured accurately and efficiently. Finally, saving and printing your documents is straightforward. If you've made any changes, simply go to File and then Save to update your PDF. To create a new version or save to a different location, select Save As. When you need a physical copy, access the print options from the File menu or by pressing Command-P. You can then configure settings like page range, paper size, and orientation before sending it to your printer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.